Just when you thought the messy Jolie-Pitt divorce was finally settling down, new explosive allegations have reignited the drama. Celebrity divorce lawyer Christopher Melcher weighs in with a scathing take, and he isn't mincing words. The Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie divorce has been one of the most high-profile and bitterly contentious celebrity splits in recent memory. What started as a custody dispute in 2016 over an infamous incident on a private plane has spiraled into an endless cycle of mudslinging, legal battles, and heartbreak, especially for the children caught in the crossfire. In a recent no-holds-barred interview on the popular Popcorn Planet YouTube channel, renowned celebrity divorce attorney Christopher Melcher unleashed the latest developments in the Brangelina saga. Angelina Jolie has now shockingly alleged a broader history of abuse by her ex-husband Brad Pitt, predating the plane incident that sparked the initial breakdown of their marriage nearly a decade ago. But according to the elite lawyer, who has represented countless A-list clients, Jolie's motivations for dredging up these old accusations reek of desperation, malice, and an unhealthy fixation on painting herself as the perpetual victim, even if it means rewriting history to serve her narrative. Melcher pointed to the glaring inconsistencies and lack of evidence supporting Jolie's claims. If Brad Pitt was an abusive person as she alleges, where are the other women making these allegations? He asked. Not one girlfriend has come forward to substantiate a pattern. Obviously, people would have an incentive to jump on the bandwagon if there were real abuse. How do you reconcile that? She's seizing on the fact that he, Pitt, had proposed a standard non-disparagement term in a contract to sell their French winery business as her now stated reason for rejecting his offer. Melcher explained to the Popcorn Planet hosts, the reason why she's doing that is because in this civil suit over the winery, she wants to now bring up abuse allegations from before the plane incident. In plainer terms, Jolie is attempting to retroactively justify her combative business decisions regarding the ex's lucrative wine venture Miraval by portraying Pitt as an unrepentant abuser, desperate to silence her voice through non-disclosure agreements. However, Melcher dismisses this flimsy pretext as utterly lacking legal or logical merit. How would past abuse allegations possibly be relevant with respect to her ability to sell or not sell the winery? He asked rhetorically. There's no logical connection there. She's introducing that by saying, maybe in principle I agreed to sell to Brad. But when I saw that he wanted to silence me about these ancient allegations, that's why I rejected it. The seasoned attorney didn't mince words when assessing Jolie's current mindset, portraying her actions as those of a broken person willing to drag out litigation and public feuding indefinitely, even jeopardizing her own children's well-being, all to perpetuate an aggrieved victim narrative against her former spouse. Melcher highlighted Jolie's glaring hypocrisy, such as previously suing the FBI for not prosecuting Pitt over the plane incident, despite her recent claims of wanting him to accept responsibility and help the family heal. As the lawyer put it, her own statements are irreconcilable. In stark contrast, Melcher praised Pitt for taking the high road amid relentless provocation, avoiding inflaming the situation through the press while seeking to simply move on with his life. At least until this latest barrage of character attacks reportedly had the actor-producer trying to move on, but very stressed at having to continually defend himself over and over again. With reports that one of the former couple's daughters has now rejected her mother's allegations and chosen to align herself residentially with Pitt, Melcher made an impassioned plea. Angelina, stop. It's the kid's father. Let them make the choice. You've put the information out there. They clearly know how to use the internet. I'm sure it's getting to them. At this point, your children are still choosing to have a life with him. Move the hell on. From Melcher's seasoned perspective, as an elite voice in the cutthroat world of high-stakes celebrity divorce, the Jolie-Pitt saga has devolved into one party's never-ending quest to vilify the other at all costs. Consequences for their children be damned. Some people can't let go, even if something happened, he said. Come on, it's 8 years ago. Move forward. Putting kids first, that's what parents should do. But here, she seems to be putting herself, her own interest, her own desire to be a victim ahead of the needs of her kids. Only time will tell if these living Hollywood legends can find the path toward co-parenting peace and healing from their epic-defining divorce, or if their fury road will thunder on indefinitely. Give this video a thumbs up if you were mind-blown by Christopher Melcher's candid perspective. Leave a comment with your thoughts, and hit subscribe with notifications so you don't miss another explosive episode.